All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. We're going to speak about the Nation League. What is it about the Nation League? We're going to speak about, you see that? Jamaica. Anyways, as you can see, the groups are here. You can see the groups: League A, Group A, League A, Group B, League A, Group C, League A, Group D. They're all here, people. The top of the top. But guess what? Jamaica is a part of it. The Reggae Boyz are part of it. We didn't get the best one, the best group, but guess what? We're still going to carry on because there's still chance and there's still hope. Now, before I get into the details, the fixtures are out. I'm going to give you guys the fixtures, tell you about the dates and some of the information, some of the specific information I got about players and a particular player that I do think that there's genuine interest, 100% genuine interest in that player. And we will see how that one goes. I'm not sure if Nation League, there's a possibility for that player in Nation League, but I'm going to get into that on the latter stage of the video. But definitely what I want you guys to do right now is smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and enjoy the show. Enjoy the show, most importantly. All right, so let me get it up. So the Nation League, let me get the fixtures up, people. Let me get the fixtures up so you guys can see it. So these are the fixtures. These are the fixtures, people. Before I get into that, you can see us, follow us here. Follow us here on Twitter at Military Guna and also on Instagram at military.guna. Would really appreciate it if you continue the family, growing the family, both on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. I also have Facebook as well, but it's the same thing. Normally my first name was on Facebook, Maradekers. But anyways, once you find Military Guna, you'll definitely find the page, the Facebook page. So let's get straight into it. All right, so these are the fixtures, people, for the upcoming Nation League games that Jamaica will be participating in. On June 4th, we face Suriname. First team on the list, Suriname. Now, we all remember the last time out we played Suriname in the Gold Cup, which was detrimental to them, and that was under a poor management, poor coaching, all the poor aspects, and we still defeated them, which means that this time around, under a better manager, better quality players, better management, I would say, going forward, possible. We're still supposed to defeat them quite easily, or more so easier. Yes, I know a lot of people saying, "Hey, you don't know what they're doing," and this all. Hey, come on, let's get real. Let's get real. I saw Thailand slap them the other day, but they're not playing any good football. Anyway, so in this group we have Mexico, Suriname, and Jamaica. So far, I do believe that Mexico can be defeated. 2 times out, we play Mexico in the World Cup qualifiers. First game, they were leading 1-0. We got the equalizer from I think it was through Shamar Nicholson. And then now, after the removal of Anthony Grant in the 84th minute, we conceded a goal on the 86th or 87th minute thereabout. So definitely we blundered here. Then again, on the next game, under Paul Hall, we're playing some good football. We conceded even a red card. We were leading 1-0 up until the 88th minute. Boom, Alvas Paul came on the 81st minute. We conceded a goal. On the 83rd minute, we conceded another goal. So definitely, it goes to show that we could have gotten the job over Mexico twice. Well, we could have gotten 4 points from Mexico, but we didn't because of poor management. Anyways, let's stop it right there. So June 4th, this is after the Premier League, after all the top leagues are finished. Specifically, I think the European League runs into May. Yeah, I think the European leagues run. The European leagues run at the end of May. So definitely, we will be having all these players. These players will be available. Now, one of 2 things: either training, pre-season, or vacation. So we will definitely see if these players will turn up. Other than that, we will know. You will definitely know. But definitely, this time around, there's no there's no season, there's no club going to say this. There's none of that. Absolutely none of that. So we're going to see the players. We should see the players. That's on June 4th, first game against Suriname. I'm hoping that because we're going to be going to Suriname for the first game, we can get a camp going by the end of May. As best as possible, or even close, maybe 2 weeks prior to. I really hope we can do that. Even get a local camp even 2 weeks before this game, so we can add in the other top players, just in case. Then now we are going to Suriname on the 4th. That's just 3 days later. That's it. On the 7th, we're going to Suriname. Suriname is going to come back to Jamaica what did I say? Suriname is going to come to Jamaica on the 7th, so that will be our home match on the 7th. So that there, I believe, is quite good. That is quite good and quite interesting. So that's 2 days preparation. 2 days preparation. We have to factor in traveling in it as well. Normally, we would leave right after the games, so we have to factor in traveling. So we have 1 game, rest up. So basically, there won't be any training. But at least at that particular time, and we know how this team play, we know much about them because we already play them at home. Then they would come to our home where we can actually flag them the right way. Anyways, on the June 14th, that's 7 days later after the Suriname game, we face Mexico in Jamaica. And I like this one. This now gives us prior preparation time to face Mexico. Prior preparation time to face Mexico, which means that we should not fall at their feet so easily. We should definitely 100% put in a show for this game. Now, the next game, when I saw the 26th of March, I'm like, what? Are we going to reverse in time? But actually, it was 26th of March. Next year, we'll be playing the final game to confirm our place in the Gold Cup. And that is how it is. So, definitely, that's how it situates at this moment. That is how everything sets up. Let me move this out of the way so you guys can see the dates for the last. So that's June 14th and also March 26th in 2023. So these are the dates that are confirmed. Definitely one to look out for. Anyways, so there's one player I speak about. I really believe that there's strong interest in this player. So Kiddo Taylor Hart, I do believe that there's strong interest in this player. As I mentioned earlier, before, behave yourself on camera. Sure. Yeah. As I mentioned before, Kiddo Taylor Hart is quite interested. There's quite a few players who are definitely of the Jamaican background. I do believe that it's just down to us to reach out to these players. Kiddo Taylor Hart has recently followed back the JFF. Remember that he unfollowed the JFF, but now he's followed back the JFF. I'm not sure what the situation is. But why are you following the Jamaica Football Federation if you're not interested in the Jamaica Football Federation? There has to be some level of interest. There must be some level of interest. There's got to be some level of interest. I don't see any reason why a player would want to follow the JFF if they're not interested in the JFF. There must be some level of interest. But anyways, people, I won't say any more on that situation. I know most of you guys are smart, do detective work, can put 1 and 2 together. Yeah. Anyways, people, thank you very much for tuning in, people. Massive respect you guys for tuning in. Anyways, make sure you guys smash that like button. And if you're at the final end of the video, say final. And definitely, if you're first here, say just say subscribe. Subscribe or something like that. Anyways, massive respect, people. Big up Military Guna TV. Check out these videos as well. I'm out.